white spots are additional points that we're trying to collect the data to see if we see gas at those points. And that's kind of all with the logging. Are there any logging specific questions that I can answer for you guys?
Doing logging in the water wells at the water site, in the downside?
This is Dow Water Well 1. We did log that. We also logged 3 Oxy wells here. That's Oxy Well 1, 2, and 3. We also logged the Georgia Gulf well over here. We also logged the Oxy Geisner 3, which is the one that's on the Texas Brine property. And we did log that, and we did not see a accumulation of gas. Now keep in mind, I say accumulation of gas. It doesn't mean there wasn't gas in the water or mixed in or migrating through. It just, we didn't have a gas column sitting on top of water, because that's what this tool looks for.
Marty, we're gonna have a map on the blog so that
We can download these maps and put on the blog.
Yes, sir.
On the, when you see the sonic, the image you're getting back of the upper part of it appears that it looks the same.
Correct.
But that's not conclusive. It could still possibly be problems with the top end.
I can't answer that at this point in time. We don't know. There's lots of tests being run, and there's a lot of smart people who are going to come on and look at things like that, a lot smarter than I am. You've got to remember, these logs, they don't see 400 feet away from the wellbore. They see about 4 or 5 feet away from the wellbore. So that's all we're really looking at when we run these logs. They see a very narrow spectrum on where we put these tools, and we don't see a large distance out when we run these logs.
So it's 100 feet across, right, the cavern on the upper end?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're not seeing all the way out?
That part of the cavern appears to be in its original shape.
Right, but you're talking about the PDK log rather than the sonar, right?
Well, yeah, I think you're talking about the sonar, correct?
Well, whatever image you're getting of the cavern.
Yeah, the sonar will actually go out, yes, the sonar will see the full size of the cavern, because that's in the open hole. You're in a big cavern, and that can see the full cavern, the sonar tool, yes. Sorry, you switched gears on me, because I was talking about PDKs, and then we went to sonars.
Nothing against you, but, I read an article, people told, rolling on in all caverns.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you very well.
Maybe one of you,
What's that?
People, record on all pressures and stuff, in the cavern, all caverns, no matter the one that's rich or not.
They do keep records, yes, on that stuff.
Tell us what's in it, how long it's been in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I unfortunately, I'm not a cavern expert, I'm a logging expert, and so you're getting at kind of a little out of my domain. I'm sorry, I just don't have a good answer for that. But the state does keep records on this, as well as Texas Brine.
Yeah, I thought it took, we get years to read anyway.
Yeah, they do keep the records on there. And, part of this is, I've only been involved in this process for about 2 weeks, not even 2 weeks. And so we're still compiling data. There's so much data out there trying to get hold of it.
Yeah, it's not right, it's all written,
And we've got all the information, we're pulling it together cavern by cavern,